This is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I want to show you a project that we are starting today. We actually started it in some fabrication in the shop, but today we're starting installation. This is a preschool daycare, and what we are going to do is we are going to take their old gates, which are over there. I'll get a little bit closer in a second, and that new structure that is for the front. And we're going to put in brand new gates with new operators. At the same time, we're going to wrap everything with Mangaris style wood, including that structure, including the gates. So that's going to take all shape today. So this is what we started on doing. We've prepped our frames in advance, and we are now prepping to get the everything installed. So we have our wood and wood cutting area here, and we'll have some ironwork preparation here, and we are going to take the existing gates and remove them. This structure was built here by the contractor. We are going to wrap around it with our wood and create a pedestrian gate inside it. The mailbox and intercom, which is the old ones that are here, are gonna get out of the way, and we are going to build a little wooden pillar for them. So I am back here at the school, and they're back to the school year, and we were done just in time. This came out really beautiful. I'm really happy with how this came out. This is the inside. This is the driveway gate. You can see the safety sensor right there on the side. We've changed the operators to new operators. These have battery backups and an emergency release on them for emergency exit. We wrapped the structure here from all sides. Some of the wood is horizontal, some is vertical. On the pedestrian gate, we doubled up so people can't reach in and open. We installed this really good heavy-duty style exit bar here, and a commercial door closer, so the door closes behind people exiting, so free egress to get out. And then once we get out, the gate will close. On the inside of the structure, this is what it looks like from the outside. On the inside of the structure, we have little benches here for people who are waiting. We've wrapped these panels here, so it came out really beautiful. This is the way it looks on the outside. Here we have the door king and the pillar that we wrapped with the mailbox and another keypad and the fire department box. So all together it came out really beautiful, and we're all very happy with it, and especially the school is very happy with it because they have a new facelifted entrance to their school. That's about it. Ron for Mulholland Security in Mulholland, California.